Bob. You always explain to all the good people why we're here today. But you know, this isn't exactly a Puppet House episode. The next episode would be later this week. This is the first ever Puppet House short video! Yay! Me and William will be hosting a game show! Yay! See, this one difference from an episode is me and William aren't thinking of ideas right now. We're hosting a game show. No, actually, I don't think. I think we're still thinking of ideas. Like, well, what should we do with the game show? You know, maybe this is an episode. It's short. We don't think about things. But what do you mean? We have to have a script. We can't. We're not ready for this. We have to have a script, a camera crew. You have to hire actors. You know what? This is it. You're being too ridiculous. I'm quitting.
Mr. Harvey.
What is it, DJ?
You do have a camera crew.
Oh yeah. Well, I have to go find Bob. But now who's gonna host our game show?
Could you? I'm the first contestant, and I can't wait any longer.
Well, we need a funny duo. How about Stinky and Columbus?
Yes.
Stinky! What is it?
We need you to host our game show. Go, ask a question, be naughty as you are, and be as much funnier as you can.
I got Columbus. Let's go Columbus.
Columbus is not funny, he's dumb.
Well, you don't have to be so mean about it. You don't have to be so mean about it.
Stop mimicking me.
Stop mimicking him. I'll make it so annoying.
Stop
That's a horrible DJ voice. Okay, DJ. As a first contestant, you get a very first question. Wow, I'm so good at math. I thought you failed math last
It's not math,
Be
it's math.
quiet. We're trying to be funny. Well, we're not doing a very good job. We're just arguing, and DJ's just yelling at us.
I'm gonna get
It's not very funny.
Why, DJ, we gotta ask you a question. Where'd she go?
to drink my glue.
You want a coffee break?
No, I drink my glue.
Okay, what color is that straw? That's the first question.
Orange, you dummy.
Good job, you win $1 million. Goodbye. Bob,
A Puppet House question!
Oh, why don't they know how to be specific? What is your name?
I know that
She's
very
gonna
well.
fail, she's gonna fail. She's
You
not
a
gonna
hard one.
Right, nope, you didn't answer the first question. That means you don't know it. That means you don't win the $1 million.
He did it.
Good job, goodbye. You got 2 points. You got $1 million. Bob,
That means it's $2 million. Each question you got $1 million. You got that puppet? Yes, yes, yes.
yes. Where'd DJ go? Why is she talking all the puppets going? Yes, yes.
Yep, yep.
Yes.
Oh, it's good. You have the penguin.
Arnold, can you tap dance?
Yes, I think in the 44th episode.
That's wrong. We didn't have 44 episodes, and you don't have to.
Yes, we did. In Antarctica, we have a show called Binga Buba, and that's Puppet House in China.
But you don't live in China, and your eyes fell off.
Surgery!
Oh, that was fast. Who's our next contestant?
Well, I don't know, but I'll go get him.
Hey, what happened to your face?
I don't know, I'm being attacked.
Hello, I'm going to be murdering those rockets in.
Remember, brother, don't be really knowledge.
Get out of here. It's not your turn, and Ezra Chef is not supposed to voice you. The person who voices him is supposed to voice him. So wait a second, okay? It will be your turn next. Okay, your question is, what are you looking for? Bracket soup, moving bar! Blah, 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 blah. Good job, you won $1 million, because I have no idea what you just said. Bye.
Ah! Yes,
Ready. Ask me a question. Okay. Stop yelling. Okay. I'm fired. You're fired.
Now for our next contestant.
The turkey. Whose name? The turkey.
of course. Don't call me a plum turkey like Bob did. Turkey!
I'm gonna eat you, turkey.
No!
I'm gonna eat you.
Well, that went very well. You're not supposed to eat the contestants too well. Since you're already up here, eat well.
He ate my face off!
No, you're facing the wrong button then. Dummy. Okay, I'll ask both of you a question.
Ah!
Okay, I'll ask you a question. What are you?
I'm the Indian chief, Big World, the man who can eat cookies. But I like turkey much better.
See that turkey? He likes ya.
I like to eat turkey.
Turkey, run away.
Ah! I'm the next contestant.
Mac and chip, you don't exist. You don't talk. Check out my arm.
I can't see without my glasses.
That's it. We're having a problem with who's voicing who. Please stop voicing other people's puppets. Okay, well, Joe Buenos Aires, he's honest, maybe. I'll think about it. Who's our next contestant, Columbus?
Thank you, Stinky. You gave me $1 million. We didn't give that to you yet. You didn't win it.
Yes.
No. Oh. Okay, you win $1 million. Like
Yes!
that.
Thank you.
Shut up a minute.
Who's our next contestant, Columbus?
It's me. We just gave you $1 million.
That's
No,
what you kind of
that was my brother DJ.
Actually, we already gave
I'll
him
get
one.
it off.
What is this?
It's the twins.
Okay, I'll give you another chance. Well, okay. Columbus, you ask her, I'll ask her. Why are you here?
Why am I here? Because I want you. DJ, what should I say? Because I want you. Because I want you.
Well then, I guess you win $1 million.
Let me get $2 million.
Now get out of here.
Watch your TV.
Columbus. Why are there so many pregnant people here?
Oh no. Our next contestant is Chelsea. Chelsea.
Chelsea, Chelsea.
Chelsea.
Chelsea, Chelsea.
Chelsea.
Chelsea,
Daddy.
please.
Then bring up Bruce.
Oh, but I cracked the green.
Oh, Captain Green. Isn't that that superhero guy who goes to cycling? Why is he named Captain Green? If your body is down, hey, where'd he go? Where'd that fuck go?
Bicycle!
You know, you're not supposed to show him, but he's a person that's under your body, Captain Green. But why is the name Captain Green if your body's orange?
Oh, really? Because I have recycle bags. I threw mine out and used water bottle pack.
See, guys, that's so bizarre, but you won $1 million for being our most bizarre contestant.
Yay!
Do
Da-da-da-da.
I get $2 million for doing double bizarre?
Yes, just because we like you.
Yeah, you like DJ? Shut up, you loser.
Bring up Bruce and Bruno.
You say Bruno. The boat says right. Hello, wizard.
Oh, hey, where's our kid? They just won. Nobody cares about us. Hey. Let's go steal $1 million because they won't give us.
Give me the $1 million!
No, take them away from me!
Stop it, Bruce! DJ.
He's biting my arm. We make two big boys cry.
Bummer, I think it's your nose from now.
What, Leonardo, they're replacing me for making the guys cry? Okay, Columbus, do you want Leonardo now? And
I'm back from my trip to Los Angeles. Or maybe that was Canada or Texas. Who cares? I'm back! I'm a movie star. I can be everything I want. Only on the show.
Well, welcome. We're waiting for our other host. Hello, they called me to replace Stinky. Justin, you
Who's
are
gonna
the
replace Columbus?
Nobody.
Are you Christopher Columbus?
No, I'm actually Columbus Bobby's guy.
Wow, I'm a like you.
Actually, he hates my guts. He thinks I'm too stupid for
Go
the
get your
show.
coffee break.
Thank you very much. Okay, your next question is, why do you love coffee breaks?
Because there's an ice inside.
Ice cream, bye.
I guess that means my job is back. Okay, who's the next contestant? I guess the next contestant will be Richard J, the guy who fired me if I'm a jerk to him, so I guess I gotta be really nice.
I think DJ stole my $1 million again.
Can't you fire her for that?
No.
Yes, you can. You own the studio. You can fire everybody.